Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Have a customer that really loves the Gravedigger, asked us to create this Ford Bronco tire carrier plate. So watch me go ahead and do it. Loves Gravedigger. We're going to clean this up, make a bottom layer, and send it off to powder coating. Now that we finished plasma cutting and sanding, we're going to send this off to powder coating. Thank you guys for watching, thanks for the support, and please reach out to me if you have custom needs for your Ford Bronco accessories.